Hello students and welcome to Classroom Teaching. Students, today we are going to discuss about three very small points. First is domestic electrical connections, that means the connections which are used in home. The second is very important, that is fuse wire, actual why it is used or application. And the third is precautions to be taken while using electricity. So let us start with first article, that is domestic electric connections. Actually, the electricity that is brought to our homes through the main cables, either by overhead poles, electric poles, or by underground cables. The cable, it has three main wires. These three wires are, the first, that is nothing but live wire. The live wire through which the main electric current it flows. The second one, that is nothing but neutral wire. Through which the current it comes back or it returns. And the third wire which is used, that is nothing but ground wire, or it is also called as earth wire. Actually, there is a color code also for that. This live wire, this color code is not compulsory, but it is used. The live wire, it has insulation of either red color or brown color, whereas the neutral wire, it has the insulation either of black or blue, and the earth wire, it has insulation of about green or yellow. So this color code is normally used, and this main cable, it is connected to the meter through a main fuse, and from meter the connections are given into our home, to every room of our home, through a main switch. And the potential difference of, in India, the potential difference of 220 volt is maintained between live and neutral wire. And all the connections in different rooms, all the gadgets that we are using in our home, these gadgets are connected in parallel . Actually, the gadgets which we are using in our home, all these gadgets, electrical appliances, they are connected in different circuits in parallel combination with each other. Now we can better understand why the parallel combination is used, because each appliance or each electrical equipment, it has given the same potential difference of 220 volt due to parallel combination. So parallel combination is used throughout our home in different rooms, in different circuits. And this earth wire, it is connected to a metal plate or copper plate, which is deeply buried inside the earth or deeply buried underground near our house. So it is this earth wire, it is for our safety purpose. That means the excess current, or if there is excess current is flowing, or if there is any accident, then the excess current, it flows to the earth through this earth wire. or ground wire. So these are nothing but domestic connections which we have in our house. The second article that we are going to study, that is nothing but fuse wire. Actually, this fuse wire is used to protect the different domestic appliances or domestic electrical appliances that we are using at our home. It is for protection purpose. Actually, this fuse wire, it is used or it is connected in series with our connections in our circuit, so that the total amount of current flowing through the wire, it passes through this fuse wire. Actually, each appliance, each electrical equipment, it requires different amount of current, and therefore this fuse wire of different quantities, because these fuse wires are of different measures like 1 ampere, 2 ampere, 5 ampere, 10 ampere, depending upon the quantity of electric current required for that particular appliance, the fuse wire is used there. If excess current flows through it, then due to the heating effect, that means the fuse wire gets heated and it melts and it stops current flowing through the circuit, and it can save the appliance. So for this fuse wire, the specific wire which has low melting point is used. That means if the current exceeds the value, then the fuse wire, it melts and it breaks the circuit, and it can prevent the different appliances which are present at our home. So this is about fuse wire. Then the third article that we are going to see, it is nothing but precautions to be taken while using or while working with electricity. While working with electrical appliances, which precautions we should take? The first main precaution is the switches and the sockets which are present in our house, they should be at a height to which the children cannot reach. That means it must be at some height to which the children cannot reach, because children usually insert pins or nails into it, and there may be some accident due to that. The plug wires, if we want to remove the plug wire, then we should not pull the wire, but we should properly take that plug pin from the socket. Before cleaning the electrical appliance, while working with it, we should remove the plug from the socket properly. We should switch off the plug and we should remove the plug from the socket. While working with any electrical appliance, our hands should be dry, because the electric current can easily flow through the wet hands. So our hands should be dry, and if possible, we should wear rubber sole slippers, chappals with rubber sole, or we should use the stool or the bench which is made up of from wood, because slipper, that means rubber and wood, they are insulators and they stop the flowing of electric current through our body, so they can protect us. Then if a person gets an electric shock, then what should we do for him? We should not touch him. Our first aim is to remove the plug, or we should switch off the main switch which is present in house. If it is not possible for us, that means if we don't know where is that main switch, or if it is far away, then we should remove the plug from the socket. If that is also not possible, then we should push that person with the help of wooden stick or by any plastic chair or any insulator we should use. We should not touch him by bare hands. So these are the various precautions that we should take while working with electricity or while using any electrical appliance or while servicing any electrical appliance. So these are very small articles. So we will stop for this video here. Thank you very much.